most powerful formulas I'm gonna teach you. These are very important formulas which every Excel user should know. Upper, lower, proper. If I use these formulas or show you practically, so just press equal to and write upper. You'll see upper formula here, and then you'll see your text is here in the cell. So this is not good, this is not completely proper, not lower, not upper. So I'm gonna change it into the upper formula. Just press enter. You'll see all your letters will be in upper form. Okay, so in this you'll see I'm gonna do this into the lower form. How to do that? Press tab and then again select your cell and then hit enter. You'll see all your names will be in lower form. If you want the first letter big and all four letters small, so just use the proper formula and write over here, and you'll see proper formula. Press tab button and then select your text. Again hit enter button. You'll see that your first letter is big, all other are small. So like this way you can easily use the proper lower and upper formula in your text, and these are very powerful in Excel. Everybody should know. So thank you to all of you who watched the video. If you like this video and you have understood it, so please subscribe the channel and visit my YouTube channel for more videos and more knowledge. So thank you. Please share with your friends.